After spending some time on the filtration of the projects, you will surely find some projects relevant to your skills. But what to do next? It's time to apply for these projects. How can you do so? First of all, click on the projects you want to apply for. For instance, let's use the logo design project as a case. Make sure not to start writing your proposal if you don't know who your client is or how you can add value to the project. If there is information about the client in the project, conduct research on their business. Take a look at their website and other social media channels and understand their strengths, weaknesses, and target audience. Carefully explore the project information and brainstorm ideas on how you can contribute to their business growth while doing the project. Once you are ready, come back to your project and click Apply Now. After that, a new window will open. Above all else, you will see proposal settings, which show how many connects you spent to apply for. On a free plan, you typically get 60 connects per month from Upwork, so it's important to consider this number while you send your proposals. Below, you will see the details of the projects you plan to work on. This is a good chance to check all the information one more time. Now let's define terms. Consider whether you want to be paid for your project one time or by milestones. Below, write down how much you want to be paid for your job. Pay attention to the client budget range and make sure that Upwork asks for a $10 fee. For instance, let's write down $40 and I will get 36 from them. Now it's time to consider your cover letter. An Upwork cover letter is pretty much the same as a cover letter for any other job. This is a short, highly personalized letter to the project creator in which you, in 2 or 3 short paragraphs, explain who are you, what your expertise is, and what benefit you may bring to their business. We have prepared an example for you. Now I just spent a few seconds copying our proposal, but I want to encourage you to consider its content but not to use any other example as a ready-made template. Your uniqueness is one of the keys to success. Start your letter with a greeting or appeal to your client. Good day, hi, and other options are good. Then spend one paragraph defining the opportunity you apply for and your relevant experience in this area. It's important to say what the project is because a client might have a few similar projects on Upwork. Yes, this is one of the reasons why every cover letter should be unique. If there are some really familiar results from your previous showcases, like for example, that you have designed a logo for famous companies, or maybe some of the data changed after you did the logo for this business, etc. In the next paragraph, consider the benefit you can bring to their business if you are a performer. You can experiment and shuffle this part of the letter with the one where you write about your experience. And in the last paragraph, add examples of your relevant works or attach the link to your whole portfolio. Make sure to ask them to take a look at the link and explain what these links contain. Finally, prepare the closing part, input a call to action that clearly describes what the client should do next. Also, you can add thank you words and signatures. I have some advices for you about how to make this letter better yet. Number 1. Use anything that attracts the client's attention. Remember, your client will get many different proposals and not have time to check all of them. Number 2. Separate yourself from other freelancers and provide the arguments why the client should hire you. Number 3. Don't include unnecessary things and don't be too casual or overly professional. Number 4. Use different tools to check spelling and grammar. Quillbot, Grammarly, and Language Tool might help you. When you are ready, scroll down a bit and you will see the place for attachments. This is a great way to present your showcases if they are in image formats. But remember to name them in the right and understandable way for anyone who doesn't know you well. Check everything one more time, and if everything is fine, click Submit a proposal. My congratulations! Now you know how to join the projects. To find all your proposals, go to the Find Work section and move on to the Proposals module. There you can find all submitted proposals, active ones or those you led the discussion with, invitations to interview and offers from your clients. Once you've sent a great proposal and landed an interview with the client, it's time to prepare for your interview so that you can win the project. Thank you for joining this lecture. See you in the next one.